Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're looking at an interesting geometry problem. We have a right-angled triangle. Inside it, there is a rectangle perfectly inscribed under the hypotenuse. The vertical segment above the rectangle is 4, and the horizontal segment to the right of the rectangle is 10. Now the question is, can you figure out the area of this rectangle? Take a moment to think about it. Let's walk through the solution together. Suppose the length of the rectangle is x and the width is y. So the area of this rectangle is x times y. Now let's focus on the triangle. And in this triangle, both of them are right-angled, and they share a common angle at the top. That means the remaining angles must also be equal. So the two triangles are similar. And since they are similar, the ratio of the base to the height is the same in both triangles. So from this triangle, base over height is x over 4. And in this triangle, base over height is 10 over y. Now, applying cross multiplication, we can write x times y is equal to 40. So the area of the rectangle is 40 units, and that is our solution. But wait, before you go, here's one more challenge for you. Can you find the area of this rectangle in terms of A and B? Think it through and drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see who gets it right. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.